Welcome back to Gibor Tactical. So recently people are always asking me questions. What happens if I'm walking around, I'm a regular civilian and I need to help and protect myself? So there's a very simple solution. Solution number one, be aware of your surroundings. Always look around. You don't have to overdo it and make yourself suspicious, but be aware of your surroundings. Don't run around with the headphone with noise cancellation outside and wonder why you don't know what's happening. Step number two, always, in every country almost, it's legal, you can have a spray or some sort of pepper or mace to protect yourself. And step number three is have a cell phone, call up a friend, let them know your location. So I'll tell you right away. Step number one, let's go over. Be aware of the surroundings, look around, make sure there's nothing suspicious. Step number two, protect yourself. If it's with a spray or with a rock, something around to defend yourself against a perpetrator or someone who wants to do harm. Step number three, be in connection with someone. Let them know your location. Let them know what time you're going to be back home. Let them know what you're going to do, especially if it's in a more dangerous area. So you can call them up, call the police. And the main thing is prevention. The main way to get out of problems and out of trouble is to prevent the problem from the beginning. Thank you for watching Gibor Tactical. If you have any more questions, you can always email me or put it in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.